There are several reasons why a company like Wilms chooses to work with a CPQ application. In fact, at Wilms, we have lots of experience with CPQ applications. In the past, we already had 2 CPQ applications. We chose for these applications to decrease the administrative burden and increase the working efficiency. Currently, with our current CPQ applications, our B2B clients can log into our application, can configure Wilms products. They immediately receive a price for their specific configured products, taking into account the specific discount structure that the client is in. When the client would decide to convert the offer into an order, the client also receives from the configurator a calculated earliest possible delivery date, which the client can choose to amend if he wishes so. After creating the order, our CPQ solution automatically generates an order confirmation document and sends it to the client. Also, our CPQ solution generates a bill of material for each configured product. Based on this bill of material, production can be scheduled and we can manufacture these specific products for the client without an administrative intervention from someone at Wilms. Furthermore, our CPQ solution is designed so that only products can be configured that can actually be made. This means that all the manufacturing impossibilities are translated into configuration restrictions so that when a client is able to configure the product, he can be sure that we can make it.
At Van Hool we had a lot of different products. We had more than 100 vehicle types, we had more than 4,000 different options. The philosophy at Van Hool as well was to produce vehicles custom for the customers. So a lot of engineering to order processes. At a certain point of time we decided that it was not sustainable anymore. It had a huge impact on our margins, and so we decided that we had to give the impression to the customer that it was custom, but at the end it was just a huge portfolio of options that we already knew, but that we rationally managed in a very structured way.
This way of working has multiple advantages both for the client and for Wilms. From the perspective of the client, he can configure products of which he can be sure they can be made. He receives immediately a correct price for these products, and an earliest possible delivery date is automatically calculated. All of this without waiting on administrative persons at Wilms, without intervention from anyone. At Wilms, the advantage is that the administrative burden is significantly reduced. Also, errors from entering data into the Wilms system is completely precluded because we don't enter the data anymore. The client enters it himself. Furthermore and finally, after creating the order, all information is available for the manufacturing of the products.